Greetings from New York City. JD Devine and Jarrett McCallagher here from Atlantic Tactical. Just finished up a really great two-day workshop with Zoho CRM Plus. Truth be told, I was kind of dreading this. I've been a Salesforce user for 15 years. The decision to migrate over to Zoho was made above my head, but having been here for the last 2 days, I couldn't be more excited. This is going to be even better experience than we had with Salesforce. And thanks to this guy who was very integral in choosing the product and the migration and implementation, we're right where we need to be.
Sure. Yeah, one of the goals of the project was to reduce costs and replace the functionality of Salesforce. And we have absolutely replaced all functionality of Salesforce and then some with the CRM Plus product. And we are saving at least $200,000 a year company-wide.
And getting smarter while doing it.